Yo.
In a real life, a Jahci kole talk, I'm going to tell you, say, yo, you know what going on, you know, outfit video shoot, up and running, you see me? They just arrived, you get what I say, no joke. May I tell you something, believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one is going to believe in you. I'm telling you. This jeans coming all the way from Jamaica.
Jamaica boy.
Remember,
My guy.
no joke.
It's about it for today.
Well, all is well. Because once we are here, it's all good.
All good.
Right. Yeah. You see, when you see what's going on, you believe in what you see. You can't believe in what you don't see. You understand? That's why I come to you and show you what's going on. Say, you have to start from somewhere. You get me? Yeah, so when we start from here, you see what's going on. So, nobody can tell you nothing. You hear that? Hey, my G.
Come on, bro.
Yeah.
We say, man, David gets that flip
Thanks, man. Bless, yeah?
That's all right.
Yeah, man. Thanks. Yo, at the end of the day, man, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate everything. You get me?
No, come on, man. I'm gonna make some quality content, some quality stuff.
That's what I want. Quality. Yo, I reach out to you, man. Come on.
Yo, you're fresh. Fresh boy.
Gonna make some magic today, bro.
Yeah.
Real stuff, some proper stuff, bro.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to stay here. I feel so grateful to have the opportunity to stay with Jahci kole and dancing for the song Outfit, so you can see and feel the vibe and everything nosotros sentimos, porque sirve para todo el mundo. La pueden escuchar en muchos idiomas porque también lo hacemos en español, y a disfrutar, vivir, agradecernos de Dios y nada, adelante y con fuerza.
Sí.
And we are here to smash the outfit from Jahci kole.
How are you finding today's shoot?
Oh, it's lovely. I never expect everything we did today. We've pushed a lot of things. We've done a lot of things, a lot of preparation. We've been waiting for it, and I can't wait enough for this music to get out there, because we've been working hard for this music to really go out there, and hope everybody out there will love it.
Tell us what vibe you're coming with today.
Oh my God, I'm going to give them the outfit dance, and I'm going to let them
Tell them.
I'm going to let you guys know that Outfit is the best song ever. And if I connect it with fashion, you know where I'm coming from. And then you will see exactly what I'm saying. Look at this. And look at my shoes.
Show them the shoes.
And look at my dress. That is what we are talking about. Outfit.
For you to really be in the mood, I can, like, if you want, we can buy some engine oil, some WD-40 in your bones, make you loosen up a bit. You want that?
No.
Okay. Well, come over here. Remember, always.
Me or you?
Yeah.
No,
You were wrong. I'm showing you what you're going to do. You understand? Yeah. So, here are an example. Your waist need to move. Face expression like you mean it. Face expression is the most main thing. You understand?
okay,
Because
but my face is how it's.
Where's his shoulders?
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should show him. Show him. Like that, yeah? Yeah. Okay.
Have to practice. Why are you laughing now?
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
You're making my Mr. Muscle small muscle.
It don't matter if the dress is pulling up. Don't mind it. Don't pull it down. It's yours. Walk like
when
you
it's
own it.
good enough, it's not good.
It's not gonna. It's nothing. Just walk in it. The camera. It's just. It just wanna catch you as a star. If you know, then do it. Do it.
Girl, you a walk them, walk them, girl, you a walk them, girl, you a walk them, girl, you a walk them. Girl, me love the way you rock that outfit. Make your booty does a bounce and a rotate, and the body where you got that's okay, and the lips of my attacks that's okay. Girl, me love the way you rock that outfit. You just a whoop and a walk them so sad, and the lips of my attacks that's okay. And the money in the bank that don't take. I'm in love with the shape of you for me. You just a pull me like a magnet to steal. My heart cut up if I can't get your body for me. Last night was dope to me.
I want to get one of you like basically just dancing. So this shot's going to be doing so much. So like, just
let's ride together, tell me your fantasy. I like what I see when you're in those dreams. Girl, me love the way you rock that outfit. Make your booty just a bounce and a rotate. And the body where you got that's okay. And the lips of my attacks that's okay. Girl, me love the way you rock that.
I feel good. So far, so good. We're getting some good stuff,
Yeah.
but it's not done. It's
Yeah.
not over yet.
It's not over yet.
It's still going.
They're alright. Yo, sir. How's the energy now?
Yo, energy vibes, connect. You get me? If it don't connect, we just can't correct. Remember, to have a connect to correct. Hear that? Yeah. We have all these styles to entertain.
You're doing your thing, bro.
Yeah. I have to enjoy it, so you can enjoy it. That's when you click on it. Yeah, no way.
And I want them so sad. And the bills of my attacks, that's okay. And the money in the banks, that don't take. Girl, if you want your proper fix, call me. Cause the body where you have the tell you say me want it. With the thick skin, you see you be shawty. Tonight I do me a ringing on the party. Make sure you can see we want running party. Smooth, smell sweet, you say. Girl, me love the way you rock that outfit. It is a whoop and I want them so sad. And the bills of my attacks, that's okay. And the money in the banks that don't take. True, you see me know you're glad. Come give me where you're at. Sexy girl, you pull and shape it up and roll and Trinidad. Wine girl, you was getting a spirit from me song. If you go you got church, I go sing for the club.
It's off the chain, I'm telling you. Yo, nothing about the vibes is wrong. Everything right. Fully up. Active. Connect. Active. Remember good no man, Jahci kole talking.
How you feeling now?
Well, the energy connect and the vibes right. So only thing now to drop this and the people them off a lot. Hold on, you know. You see you, my girl, we are watching. Yeah, you see you. See her laughing, you know. You me attack. How you go, sir? I said it's there. No, sir. You love the vibes, eh? Come on. Yeah. Up and running. Remember, good no man, Jahci kole talk. And guess what? We out here keeping it real. Like what? You know the thing go. And right now, may I tell you, Jahci kole, I shoot the big bad video. Outfit. Girl, me love the way you rock that outfit. It make your booty just a bounce and a rotate. And the body where you got, that's pote. And the bills and my attacks, that's okay. Remember now, man, this song available on our media platform right now. I mean, I tell you the truth. Peeps, go and get this song. And we're not joking. You see, we out here doing the best, doing the right thing, and what upliftment is the key. Remember, support me. Go to my music, which is Jahci kole. Get that song. Get these songs. You see, good song you can all vibe to. You watch it, you know it, you see it. You hear it from the best, Jahci kole.
Girl, you a walk them, walk them.